Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this executive office chair that this brand sent to me for this video. And I have to say that this is a really good chair. Doesn't matter if it is for gaming, for home office, for productivity, or for just like a really nice decoration. This chair that supports more than 450 pounds and it has a fantastic easy assemble that you're going to get it done in about probably, I'm not exaggerating, in between 10 to 12 minutes. This chair looks fantastic, but it's really comfortable. Let's take a closer look. So first of all, let's talk about how tall this chair is. This is actually a really tall chair. So for people that are up to 6.2, 6.3, this is going to be still a good chair. I'm 5'10", and let me show you, when I'm sitting, my head is just right here, and I still have so much room right here, kind of like to put a little bit more of my head and my neck. So I have to say that this is a tall chair, that it is super soft. The materials of this chair, which by the way has a really nice and cushioned headrest and also some chrome accents right here, feels really good, but they're also really soft to the touch. Same right here, chrome accents right here on the armrest, which by the way, they're padded. You can't modify the height on the armrest, take that into account. And it's also gonna be more firm right here on the centerpiece, kind of like on the cushion. But this is actually really nice. Down here, you will find some nice carbon fiber accents, which makes it to be more kind of like futuristic, I've already said, or a little bit more distinguished. And the wheels base, there are like 2 linen wheels, but also 5 pieces is made of aluminum or aluminium. So it's going to be really lightweight. So that is also nice to have when you are moving on a wooden floor or a carpet, or why not kind of like a matte base like the one I have. But on the fewer things, more than it's super soft, it also offers a really nice lumbar support down here, which by the way, you can modify the height on the chair just like this a tiny bit. And it also comes with a knob right here, which is going to be for managing this. Let me show you. Right now it's unlocked, so I'm going to lock it, so you can see that this one is not going to move anywhere else. But if I do this and unlock it, I can manage the angle of this one and have a fantastic recliner. This is a nice recliner. I have to say that it feels super good. You can manage the angle of the recliner with the knob that is on the right, but I do have to say that it's a nice and comfortable recliner. The whole chair is pretty comfortable, and it also has that really nice shock spring, and it supports a lot of weight. It's also tall, looks fantastic, but it also feels really good. I like it, and I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.